Hello everyone, welcome to Accrue Foundation. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the Bootstrap Carousel, or you can say the slider. So let's start. In this program, we can see I have added three images. This is the picture 1, 2, and 3. And let's open the output. So you can see, and this is not in the responsive model. So for that purpose, I have to use the class that is image fluid. I'm adding the same class to all the images. Not is a responsive. First, second, and third, right? And now I have to add some classes, so it will come into in a one part, and then we can add some previous and next buttons and some automation also, so that our image can be slides, okay, one by one. So for that purpose, first of all, we have to use some classes here. So I'm taking one division here. Division is opened. Now here I'm using first one ID. Call this ID data. And here I'm adding some classes. First one is I'm using the carousel. Then I'm using the slide. Then I'm using this slide should be right, okay. So for that purpose, I'm using the data right, and I'm using the name as a carousel. Okay. After this, I'm using the interval. After how much time it should be like move. Giving 1000 mean it means 1 second. If we are adding 2000 mean 2 seconds. Okay. So now here. So let me this images in a different part. This is the third image. Now what I'll do means I will add the indexes of these images in this list items. Okay. So for that purpose, I have to use some classes. So in this UL class, UL, I'm using the class carousel indicator. Okay. And here I am adding the ID which we have mentioned here. This is the data target. And here I have to mention the ID. We can give any name. And the first ID I have to use the data slide 2. Here I have to mention the index. So first image index is 0. Indexing always starts with 0. In some scripting or any languages, it will start 1 also, but most of the scripting or programming any languages, it will start from the 0 only. First, and for the third image, so now I have to take all the images in a divisions. Okay, So is open here, closing here. Yes. For all these things, one division. Now I have to call the classes for all the images. Okay. So first one is here. The class carousel inner. Okay. For this one, I have to use the carousel item. I have to use this class for all the images. And for the first image, we have to write the active because the process will start from this first one. Okay, now let's see the output. So these are our images. You can see it is rotating after every second, right? Sliding after every second, and we can change from these indicators also, right? And if you want to add any like icons for this previous and next, so you can add this here also. Okay. For example, this is good. I can take one hyperlink. This hyperlink I have to use the ID which we have mentioned. Right. After this, I have to use classes and class name character. Then we have to use the control. Then we have to use the next. Then we have to use the one more command called data slide. Then we have to add one icon. So whenever we click on this particular icon, our images will be. So here inside of this span, and the class name is carousel control next. Right. Same thing. You have to paste here, and you have to add one thing that it is an icon. Now refresh. So you can see here there is one icon is coming. When I'm clicking on this icon, the images are moving, right? If I want the same icon here also, then I have to just copy paste this particular thing. Paste here, and instead of next, we have to use the previous. Here also previous, and here also. That's we have done. So now you can see everything is working. It's moving automatically also for every second. So hope you have got the concept. If you have any questions or doubt, you can comment us or you can email us, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Thank you everyone.